It's the professionalism and the desire to do what's best for the guest, for the customer. They're very good at wanting to change the paradigm of what a traditional car dealership would look like and make it very guest oriented, and that's really what drew me in. It again really breaks the paradigms of what you would think a used car dealership or a new car dealership would be. It's very guest focused, guest oriented. They want to know what's best, how best to help you as to how they can make the most money. They want to do what's best for the guest. The relationship should be continuous and really last forever, because afterwards there's a lot of further contact that needs to go in as far as service and parts, and we want to help people's family and friends as much as we can and give them the same great experience that they had too. Well, you're not just a number when you come to a family-owned dealership group. They really care about the person and the continuing of business. It's not just a profit and loss statement. It's a true relationship built for the long term. It's asking the questions based on what's best for the person. It's not asking questions to try to coerce anybody. It's building the relationship. And that's what it should be. It's building a relationship and seeing how best to serve that particular individual. It's not one size fits all. It's tailored to that individual and that family's needs. You can absolutely ship vehicles anywhere for the guest. We branch out. We have our pricing and our service is superior, and it brings a lot of business from outside the area. It's not just the sales department here, but when you come in, you need to get your vehicle fixed, get an oil change, tires. It can be anything, and we offer the best pricing, the best service of anybody. We want them to call us because we genuinely care about them and care about what they're going to receive from us. I know for myself, I know what it's like to be on the other end of that call, and I want to make sure that I give what I would want if I were on the other end of that call back to somebody who's calling us.